How to download Google Docs as Word document. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document you want to save as a Word file. Next, tap the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Share and Export. Then, tap on Save As and choose Word document .docx from the file type options. After selecting Word document, tap OK to start the conversion. Once the file is converted, go back and find the Word document file. Tap the three dots next to it, then select Download. The Word file will be saved to your device, ready to use or share. And that's it. Now you know how to download Google Docs as a Word document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.